I'm just getting my tomatoes ready, and I'm using these little Campari tomatoes. You could use little cherry tomatoes, but sometimes when they're too small, it's really hard to kind of scoop out the flesh and cut them up. So cut it all the way around, and then I take a little grapefruit spoon and I pop it out just like that. If you don't have one of these spoons, it's okay, you can just use the knife to do it. The idea is that we don't break the outside of the tomato so they can hold everything in when it bakes. And turn them upside down, just like that. We're gonna make a little breadcrumb topping. So I have 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and just a little bit of dried oregano, just to season them. Give them a little extra flavor. And a little bit of salt, and mix it together. Keeping it really simple, but really good. Now it's time to chop up some fresh basil. Can't have a caprese without basil, and of course mozzarella. So we're just gonna shred the basil lightly. There we go, so we've got the basil. So now that we've got everything together, we're just gonna pick up the tomatoes and land them. Just like that, look how pretty they look. Love it, love it. This is so much fun. This is a great little appetizer too. I just think it's fun for the kids. A cool twist on Valentine's Day. We're gonna season all the tomatoes so they make sure that they taste really good. Now, I take a little bit of the basil and I put it right in the tomato. Then I take one of these little baby mozzarella and I pop it right in there. And then we top it with a little bit of the breadcrumb oregano mixture right there, because we want a nice cheesy crust on top. And then I take a little bit of olive oil just to give it a nice golden tan when it's in the oven. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of my tomatoes. We're gonna get them in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes until the mozzarella is melted and gooey inside.